Hey guys, welcome back to Piston Head Productions. On today's episode, we finally start to tear into the RX8. I am so excited. Scott's super pumped. Everyone should be excited. The shop is not finished yet. As you can see, we are kind of in the covered area here, and then this is the actual shop itself. So I'm still working on getting heat. Right now we just have a propane heater that is heating a wood stove. It seems kind of backwards, but the idea is heat the wood stove. It's full of steel and shit. It should help radiate off heat. And then we don't have lights in yet. I ordered a bunch of LED strips from Amazon. They didn't show up. Thank you, Canada Post. So we've got work lights, we've got flashlights, we've got button lights, but today we gut this thing out. The idea is going to be, we're going to gut out all of the interior for sure.
In 2 hours.
Yeah, we got about 2 hours to work. So the seats definitely have to come out. Those are sold already. We're going to keep the dash, and probably that's about it. Everything else is going to go. We got a giant garbage bin for other reasons, but it's all going to go in there. But that is what Scott and I are going to do, is tear this bad boy down to the best of our abilities.
Tear down this wall.
In a short period of time. So after that, once it's done, once it's completely gutted, then it's going to go off to Randy at Chrome to Envy for a cage. But I don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves yet. The idea today, got this bad boy out. So as per, oh wow, you weren't kidding.
Right?
Whenever you're gutting out a car, you always look for stuff, and this car's got wasps. Well, had wasps. There's a nice, as Scott pointed out, nice paper nest in there. Not too big. Oh, look at, they had some larvae going on in there.
It was functional.
Yeah, it was functional. So we'll start cleaning the car out and finding anything we can. A couple things we have noticed already. There was some extra stuff back here, the clutch, the airbox. If you guys need these parts, let us know, but most of this stuff is just going to get thrown out if it's not completely functional. Left us some lugs. But yeah, other than that, most of the shit's going to go because I don't need it. So, bye-bye. Super future seats. So futuristic. Woohoo! One seat done. One out. I don't know if you guys can even see. So dark. Doing our best. But one seat out. Probably get the center console out, get the back seats out, and start tearing out the carpets. Trim pieces come out. See? These should just snap off, but we will see. On this car before NV picked it up for us. Thank you. You've already paid us back a few bucks. Or what, I got $225 here.
40 over here.
40 over there. So we're getting there. $265. Not bad. So that's finally, there's wiring in there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
There's a fancy pen.
That one we'll have to keep. Ooh, another pen.
Not a quarter.
Another quarter. I found a letter opener too. Fucking weirdo. Who opens letters anymore? Who has a tool to open letters anymore? That's what I want to know.
It's always some...
Lovely. Look, more wasps. So many wasps. And there's real life dead ones in there. Ooh, yeah.
I feel like there's a better way to do it.
Oh, they're moving. Oh, they moved.
No. Bees! Bees in the car! Bees everywhere! No way.
They definitely moved.
It's on the fire.
Holy fuck. That was scary.
715, 720.
Is that on top of what we have, or just that?
This is new. This was under the carpet.
That's crazy. Oh, yeah.
That's a little road even.
Look at that. Woo! And more fucking... What did this kid do for a living? He must have done tires. Must have done tires.
You want some medication?
Oh, what do we got?
Looks like fucking cold and flu stuff.
And 150. Could be a big dick pill.
100% 99% of all men who could afford big dick pills would be on big dick pills.
Not mine. Shit wouldn't help me.
Is it spring yet?
Fucking sprung out of it, that's for sure.
Come out.
We'll figure it out.
Yeah. I think if we just push hard enough. So much stuff. So much stuff to throw away. And we made like $8, so this is where we're at right now. Just a quick update. We haven't touched anything under the hood, although that does all have to get gutted as well. We're ripping this right down to there. 2-0. But interior is pretty much out. We haven't gotten to the trunk very much yet, although it's fairly easy. Spent most of our time just tearing out the wiring. Dash still has yet to come out. That's the last major component. Well, Scott's just doing like the little cleanup work right now. I'm gonna start throwing shit in the bin. But for just over 2 hours worth of work, it's not too bad. Car's about 80% gutted, I would say. Probably leave the door cards on, well, the front ones, because we're gonna see how the roll cage will play into that. But I'm gonna start throwing all this crap out with a giant bin and see where we're at that point. So that is pretty much it for us today. We got, like I said, the car is 80% there. Still got to do the trunk and the dash and some of the wiring, but we're definitely close. Woo, there's a lot of rain on that lens. Yeah, no, super happy with that progress. So hopefully we can get another couple warm days in here, melt this off. It is still only November, but be nice just not to have any snow to work with. But yeah, not bad. Real, like a little over 2 hours, I think. What time is it now? Come on, phone. All right, guys, thanks again for watching everything. I know this wasn't super exciting. It was just us gutting the car, but this is the first step to this build, to our first Pro-Am level build. It's not gonna be a full pro drift car. We want to build a competitive Pro-Am level car. So super pumped. I've got some good leads on a Ford G63 already. If anybody's got a CD 009 or 000, I don't know how you pronounce it. If you've got one of those kicking around, let us know. That's the next piece of the puzzle I'm kind of looking for. Might do a Ford 8.8 rear end in it. I might stick with the stock one, not sure yet. But make sure to check out all of our other videos. Make sure to keep tuned for more videos on this, because we're going to be hopefully bringing them on as much as humanly possible. Yeah, check out Pissonhead Podcast. I've had a couple of wicked guests on lately. It's doing really, really well. And yeah, I think that's about it. If you guys are playing Torque Drift, I'm playing it a lot more now. Let me know. Send me your gamer tag and invite me to some stuff. You can just send us a message and I'll come out and drift with you for a bit. But that is pretty much it for us. Scott and I are actually gonna go do some butchery on a cow. So we go from gutting one animal to gutting another animal. But thanks again, guys, for watching, and we'll catch you next time.